This will be episode 17 of me documenting my journey trading ES futures using order flow. So let me show you guys my top step real quick. So I am still currently less than one full win away from passing this evaluation, and that is why I've been so selective this week, especially. Yeah, basically the last 2 days I haven't taken any entries, only because that my planned levels never got tested. So there were definitely opportunities that I should have taken and could have taken, but I didn't want to take anything outside of my plan just because that's what I've been focused on this entire evaluation. And as you can see, we actually haven't even had a red day. We've had 3 break-even days, but we've yet to have a red day on this account. And that is I fully attribute that to only trading my plan and sticking to my process. But I have definitely watched opportunities go right by me that I would have taken in the past. And I think that it's very important with trading. I think it's very important to be flexible in your plan. Like, your plan might not always, like, my levels might not get tested, just like they didn't get tested multiple times this week. So, but that doesn't mean there aren't opportunities that I can take advantage of. Like, I have literally witnessed multiple, I have them documented too. Like, let me just show you guys. I haven't done it for all my setups yet, but I'm starting to split these two. This is where I put all my trades under. It's either spotted buyers or spotted sellers. But I'm starting to break them down into what they are. Like, just for example, this is a missed trade from yesterday. We had a nice CVD divergence, and there's nothing you can see on the here. Like, so yeah, we had a CVD divergence, which you can see here, and VIX was down over 1.5%. So there's that. And then I have a screenshot of what ES looks like. And then also I have VIX underlined. This is just a few examples of missed trades that I could have probably made money on. This was the big one from yesterday, the big short. Another CVD divergence. And I noticed, I was reading yesterday's as basically like, whenever we break high a day like that and we kind of stall there, like this right here is about 20 minutes time. And I didn't take this short because I was waiting for 666 to get tested, and obviously that didn't happen, or else I would have been in short. But I should have taken it short around this. I should have been able to take it short here after seeing this. And then VIX was bouncing. VIX wasn't at a place where it was a no-brainer to short yet, but it was basically on its way there as this 20-minute consolidation period happens. So whatever, basically my point that I'm making right now is that there are trades that are good opportunities, good setups that I don't plan for. And in the past, I would take those. But the reason why I have not done that at all on this account is because whenever I'm in the mindset that I will take trades that are outside of my plan, sometimes that leads me to get too eager to make money and put a trade on, and I might kind of like force something even if it's not there. That doesn't happen all the time, but in particular, I wanted to make it a point on this evaluation to only stick to my plan. And I only took one trade outside of my plan, which is the one that I've already described to you guys, where I bumped my stop loss up. But so we've literally taken one trade out of 13 that were not in my plan on this evaluation, which I would say is pretty good. But yeah, so I'm basically gonna, after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna go through the last 2 weeks of sessions from the 8th to today, and I'm gonna replay the bookmap data and see if I can find any setups, and I'm gonna document all of them. And then I think what I'm going to do once I get through this evaluation, I'm going to start to break my playbook up into a few different setups, probably around 4. It'll probably be around like 4, maybe 6. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna plan on doing. And I just want to make sure, the reason why I don't take trades outside of my plan is because I want to make sure that my entries are high quality entries. And as you guys have seen, I blew 2 valuations already on this account, or on this YouTube channel, in front of you guys. So you guys have seen my mistakes that I make, and sometimes I will take bad entries completely, and sometimes I will just re-enter an idea that is invalidated. Those are pretty much my 2 biggest issues. But the point, I just wanted to make sure that my entries are high quality entries, and once I can get my unplanned for entries to be high quality only, I think that I will be at a really good point in my trading, probably the peak of my trading. But yeah, because I know that your plan isn't always gonna play out perfectly, and sometimes your level might not get tested, like I've seen already so many times in the last few weeks. And those are the days, like you can see last week, I literally went one day with an entry, and it was that one entry that I pretty much forced. So yeah, but the way I'm doing it, I mean, at least it limits my downsides so much. Like I haven't had one red day yet in almost a full month. It'll be 3 weeks, I think, is actually what we're at today. So I am a month from when I started this evaluation, which was the 26th of June, I believe. Yeah, 26th of June. But yeah, so I mean, the good news is my trading has greatly improved in the way that I'm completely fine with not taking an entry unless I see something that is worth taking. But I am missing a lot of setups, and I am missing a lot of high quality entries that I could have put me over the edge already, probably a few times over, or not a few times over, but could have had this challenge passed sooner. But I'm still happy with the way I'm doing this evaluation, and with the patience and the discipline that I've put for this evaluation. So when we do pass this evaluation, I am going to size down to 1 contract, and I'm going to execute basically the same way that I am now. And I'm not going to fuck up another value. I'm not going to fuck up another Express account. I'm fully going to get some payouts on this account, and I'm very confident in that, and if I continue trading how I am, especially. But I do really want to add the extra layer, which is having the confidence or having the eye for good setups that are not planned for, because I do believe that great traders, they are able to make flexible decisions, and they're able to get flexible with their entries like that, in the sense that they don't need a certain level to test or whatever. They can identify certain things that aren't in their plan that are worth the entry. So that's where I'm at currently. That's what I want to add to my trading. But I mean, other than that, can't complain. We're less than one full win away from passing this evaluation. Haven't had a red day, knock on wood. Haven't had a red day yet in over 3 weeks. So this is easily the most disciplined I've been in terms of actual entries, no doubt. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I hope you have a great day.